Hello, welcome to a tutorial of this wonderful app. I'm going to teach you how to use the mobile app Cake. First of all, go to the Play Store, type Cake Learn English, download it, install it, open it, and then close the introductory videos. As you can see, in this part, you will find the main menu with some tabs such as Home, Search, Speak, Practice, and Profile. Right above the Profile section, you will find this streak icon. Here you will be able to see the amount of time you have used this app. In order to create an account and save your progress, you can use an account of Facebook or Gmail. Choose the email, set a password, and then you'll have your account. Go back to the home icon, and here you will find channels with content about any kind of subject. If you wish more specific content, go to the icon Search. I recommend you to look for work with the Oxford University Press channels. Subscribe to this channel, and after that I recommend you to change the order of the contents from the oldest to the newest. Strengthen your vocabulary of verbs, adjectives, nouns, or any type of expressions with the contents of this channel. Now, in order to work with the content that is in this channel, choose a video. You can start, pause the video, pressing on the icon play. Under the subtitle, you will find the total amount of expressions that are in this video. These expressions will be in English and Spanish. You can minimize the video, or you can maximize the video to its original position. Choosing the icon ALL, you can hide and show the subtitles in English or in Spanish. In the icon 1x, it will help you to increase the speed of all the expressions and words. The speed will change to this icon, 0.75x. Next to this icon, you will find the repetition icon. With it, you will be able to repeat a sentence or word the amount of times that you want. You will be able to do something similar using the icon drill on the right side. Press screen so that you can see the subtitles you are practicing. Unlock the icon drill to continue with your practice. Swipe right or left to see the rest of the expressions and words. Some videos can be shared or even saved. In this section, you can report if there's any mistake in the subtitles. Go to the first challenge. Here you can visualize the key expression of each video. So listen to them and check your pronunciation. You will get feedback on your pronunciation, where A will be the best and D will be worst. If for some reason you close the video and you want to go back to the channels, all you need to do is go to the one that you have subscribed, try in the icon subscriptions, another channel that I recommend is the channel Animated Movies. Choose the content of your interest, check the expressions, the new vocabulary, practice with the key expressions, and after that, check your pronunciation. Get some feedback in the option repeat. Pronounce it as similar as possible. Besides this challenge, you will find a quiz. This video contains 2 records, which consist in carrying out dictation based on the expressions from the same video. The less time it takes to complete the challenge, the better will be the record. You will be able to practice your expression in the practice section. Your streak will continue to increase every time you use the app. The app will notify you on your progress and will award you with the stars for your practice. In the section Speak, you're going to find exercises for this skill classified by levels and categories. Explore the features in your free time and improve with each step. Thanks for watching. I hope that you find this video useful. Enjoy learning.